This is a strap cutter, and this is one that you will find on the internet for sale at leather supply stores. And I really liked using this back in the 1980s when I was younger, and I never had a problem with it. But I found in my old age that I can't seem to keep the leather straight because of this area back here on the handle, and keeping the leather even where between the blade and the handle has proven to be a bit more of a chore, and I have to go a lot slower. So I thought, well, why not just take and cut the handle out here in this area so that it's not up against the leather, and that way the only part of the leather that's going to be up against the cutter is right here and here. So I just thought I'd go ahead and do that cut. I've already done it on another one, and it's proven to work really well. So there's no guarantee that that's going to be the case for everyone though. And so I'm going to take this piece out. And you're on camera, which is fine. I'm taking this piece out, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the handle. That's it. And now you can see this area here will not be up against the leather, only this part here. I'm not going to put it back together yet because I still got to sand it. So that will be the next clip. Now this part, I'm going to put my headphones on for the sanding. And so it's going to get noisy because I'm going to turn the vacuum cleaner on and the machine. But you'll get to see, basically, I'm just taking this and taking this edge off around here, making it a little bit more comfortable. And then I'll do a little sanding behind. Basically, get over to not have any splinters. That's the most important thing. Scalps. Yeah. And that now there's another thing I'm going to do. Let me stop the clip. Another thing that I'm going to do is maintain distance where the leather goes in. I'm going to make it about 4.5 millimeters, which is this little chip here. So, and in order to do that, instead of using that little spring to keep the distance, I find that if I use it like this, I usually don't have a problem. So, we'll leave that there and leave that there. Throw that back over, and then we'll take this over to the drill press. I'm going to take this opportunity to give credit to Bad Weather Workshop for giving me the inspiration to change out the tool I've got. He posted a video on YouTube titled Leather Strap Cutter, an alternative for leather craft. And a light bulb went off in my head and said, I might be able to change what I already have, and I want to thank him sincerely for giving me the idea and making me wake up a wee bit. Alright, this is the strap cutter with the remodeled handle, and we'll see how well it does. It takes very little effort to keep it in the position it's meant to be. And I always had difficulty previously keeping the leather hard up against the strap cutter when the flat of the handle was in contact with the leather all the way back. So I think that's definitely a success. That's the second one I've done, second strap cut I've done, and I think I've got a third one. That I'm going to do the same thing with.